He's coming out soon though. Mills, stop fucking hit a nigga with a little two-line real quick. It's Mr. Toto. Go get on that shirt.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna talk about the Black Watch.
Black Watch. Polo, don't make that.
Yeah, that's
not even a polo on it.
Matter of fact, that's a whip. That nigga solo on it. If I'm racing, I take this nigga Dolo on it, so I can fuck niggas up and put a Shobo on it. Don't hug me, nigga. Slug me, nigga. Racing me, you gonna bug me, nigga. You gonna have to race me, you gotta pace me. After you tell all these niggas you wanna face me, you like a bitch trying to suck dick, you trying to taste me. Let me tell you something. About the hammers. I'm telling niggas I ain't no snitch. I ain't gonna tell nothing about you that's gonna end you in the slammer. But these niggas is snitches, these niggas is bitches. These niggas fuck dirty bitches, so guess what? When they go home, they dick itches. It ain't got nothing to do with me. My mans call me B. And if niggas wanna race me, I say my niggas see me. My car caught at the line. Right now, I'm not even in my prime. This is the slowest my car been. And it's so a shame, it's a sin. These niggas can't beat me. If I was the bitch, I'd open my legs and make these niggas eat me. Niggas call me Beezy. And if you're racing against me winning, that shit ain't gonna be easy. Stop fucking arguing. This is a saga story. Y'all niggas is arguing so much, y'all niggas gonna bore me. I'ma stop rapping, I'ma start clapping, I'ma take my hands off and start slapping.
Hold that shit. Anyhow niggas talk too much.